It starts with a single drop of water, a few hours of sun, and before you notice, the life drains away. Most plants don't die from neglect, they die from care that's gone unnoticed. Here are 5 quiet mistakes that might already be killing your garden, and how to bring it back to life. Mistake number 1. Overwatering. Water is life, but too much of it can take life away. When soil stays soaked, oxygen disappears, and roots begin to suffocate. Leaves droop, yellow, and fall, long before the gardener realizes the cause. The fix is balance. Water deeply, then wait until the top inch of soil feels dry before watering again. Let air and moisture work together, not against each other. Mistake number 2. Poor drainage. Even perfect watering can fail when the soil can't breathe. Without drainage, excess water pools at the bottom, a quiet swamp where roots rot unseen. Good soil must drain freely. Mix in coarse sand, gravel, or perlite, and make sure every pot has a way for water to escape. Healthy roots grow best when they never sit still. Mistake number 3. Too much sun. Sunlight powers every plant, yet even light can become a weapon. Constant exposure to harsh heat burns delicate leaves and drains moisture faster than roots can replace it. The solution is placement. Learn your plant's tolerance, and offer filtered light or partial shade where needed. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the soil. Every garden lives or dies by what lies beneath. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living community. When it becomes compacted, dry, or lifeless, plants weaken from the ground up. Feed the soil with compost, mulch, and organic matter. Each layer invites microbes, moisture, and air back into balance, the foundation of every healthy plant. Mistake number 5. Chemical dependency. Quick fertilizers promise fast results, but long-term damage often follows. Over time, they strip the soil of natural microbes and create dependency. Growth becomes shallow, vibrant on the surface, weak below. The fix is natural nourishment: compost tea, worm castings, or fermented plant juice. These feed both plant and soil, rebuilding health from within. Gardens don't need perfection. They need awareness. A few small changes: balanced watering, proper drainage, mindful light, living soil, and natural feeding, restore balance to any space. Nature responds quietly, but powerfully, when given the chance. For more calm, nature-based gardening insights, remember to subscribe to Guide to Green Thumb. Grow with awareness, nurture with patience, and watch the quiet miracle unfold in your own garden.